Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. Today is the 1st, September the 1st of 2019, and we are moving into the last quarter of the year. I hope y'all are having a wonderful day. I know I'm actually here in Jacksonville, Florida, so at the time of this recording, we're getting ready for to be hit by Hurricane Dorian here in Florida. So just many prayers if you guys are watching this for Florida as we get ready to encounter Hurricane Dorian. But Hurricane, that's not what this video is about. This video is about MyLeadGenSecret. And I kind of want to give you a quick update. I know it's been some months since I actually did a video on MyLeadGenSecret, so I want to talk to you about that and show you a little bit of things here as I log in here. But if you're new to this channel, I want to welcome you. I want to say welcome, welcome. If you're an entrepreneur, so if you're in direct sales, if you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, home business entrepreneur, you found the right channel. This channel is all about providing you with the tools, the resources to help you grow your business, also to give you the inspiration that you need as a home business entrepreneur, as well as show you what can really help you make money online. So I appreciate you. I thank you for stopping by. So let's get into it. I may not be looking directly in the camera. I'm looking more at my screen, but I hope you see exactly what's going on here as I give you a little bit more update on MyLeadGenSecret and why you as an entrepreneur, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, network marketing, direct sales, whatever kind of thing that you're as an entrepreneur, work from home, why you should be using MyLeadGenSecret as a tool to grow your business. So enough talking. Let me kind of show you exactly what's going on, how this can work for your business. Okay? So here I am at the MyLeadGenSecret login page, and I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Okay. So first thing I want to show you is the leads. The leads is probably a good part of it. So here we are. Right now I'm still at 200 leads a day. As you can see here, as of this recording, there will be another 200 leads that will pop up into me in 9 hours, 33 minutes, and 31 seconds. Now, what I want to do is I want to get on here and show you, because I'm actually about to do a mailing to my leads. So, first of all, I want to show you statistics. I've been doing some mailings over the past couple of days. Let's see here. Let's see. The last one was 9,000. So as you see that I had 1,050 opens, 206 clicks. Oops, I didn't mean to do that, but let me go back up. Again, 1,050 opens, 206 clicks, and then we had here 11,800 sent, 974 opens, and then 90 clicks, and then 830,000, and then 12,000, and then 175 clicks. Now, here's what I want you to give you as an update. If you're a marketer and you love tracking and you love statistics, the statistics that you see here in MyLeadGenSecret and whatever you have in your tracking link or track system are going to be totally off. It's going to be totally off. So the thing that I've learned in dealing with MyLeadGenSecret is that you can't really look at the statistics that you get here in MyLeadGenSecret. Really look at what you get as far as sales. That's how you can tell, if it's really working. I can tell you just from experience that I've gotten sales not even really looking at the statistics. So that'll totally throw you off if you're looking at just the statistics for MyLeadGenSecret. It'll throw you off. So just look at the amount of sales and the response that you get from the leads that you get from MyLeadGenSecret for your business or opportunity. Next thing I want to show you is I want to show you how it is to actually to do an email to the list of leads that they give you. So I'm going to show you that right now. So if we go under here where it says mailing system, and under mailing system I want to show you how it is actually to mail the leads that you've acquired through MyLeadGenSecret. So what I do is I mail by date, and I mail all the leads that I've acquired over the months that I've been using MyLeadGenSecret. And I recommend that you do it every single day. Every single day, do it. Because guess what? People are going to start buying from you once they see you mailing to them every single day. It's just the way it works. If you got a list, you want to mail it every single day. If you acquire leads through MyLeadGenSecret, mail it every single day. Now, I will say that once you get started with MyLeadGenSecret, you may get some sales from the MyLeadGenSecret right away. You may not. It may take you 30 days. It may take you 60 days. It may take you 90 days. People are coming in and getting leads at different points of time, but you have to be consistent no matter if you're on day number 1 or day number 90. Make sense? All right. So here we are, mail by date, and I'm going to choose the option to select all. Now, when I select all, you see the total amount of leads that I've acquired from MyLeadGenSecret, which is 12,400. Now, that's pretty amazing to me. To build a list on my own, I don't think I could ever have done, 12,400 in a matter of a couple of months or so. So that's pretty cool to me. Now, next, what I do is I come down here. I put in here send from my name address at MyLeadGenSecret.com. And I have some saved emails. So it's Sunday. So I have a lot of saved emails that I use from their swipe series and some that I sent on my own. So I want to send one, on my that I have saved up here, and I have a couple of saved up here. Some of them swipe, some of them mine. But let's see here. I want to send. Let's send this one right here. This is one that I was swipe that I've sent before. And we're going to load it. As you can see, it puts down your subject here, and you can go through. You can go scroll down, and here you actually see the actual email. How pretty cool is that? You see the actual email. It says, "Congratulations! If you're one of the serious and motivated just like I am, this is your opportunity, and the time has come. Follow this simple and proven system and complete the rest of the steps. Open this email, complete, click here and get started. Get a welcome email and call from your advisor listen to your advisor and take action." Okay, so that's my email here. And of course, remember who the word, blah, 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 blah. There you go. Okay, to the top. Okay, so this is actually something I'm doing, another affiliate program that I'm a part of, called Super Affiliate Network. And if you want to preview it before you send it out, just click preview. Ooh, let me just click preview. Let me just try this, guys. Sorry here. Let's see here. Move this over. If I hit preview, it should go up. There we go. Okay, here we go. So I hit preview, and it gives you a preview of what the email looks like when you send it out to the leads that they're giving you. Now, just to show you, in here, you can put whatever link you want to. Like I put in here with a link that I want to. But let me take a look at one thing here real quick here. So if you look at this, it's yeah, if you click the link here, you'll see that this basically goes to one of my super affiliate network pages, as you can see here. So and that's how it is with the system. You can put whatever link, whatever you're selling, whatever opportunity, whatever affiliate program that you're selling, you can put that in the link there so that when folks come to it, whenever you send out to these leads, they can see that and they can click your lead so that you can get credit for, and you can build whatever kind of business or opportunity that you're building. So that's the thing I like about MyLeadGenSecret. So go back down here a little bit more. Let me get this right. Close this out. Now I will recommend that if you are using MyLeadGenSecret, you choose the option for the perfect timing. That way, when it goes to leads that are on the list, that it will be get to their inbox at the right time that they're going to possibly open it. MyLeadGenSecret has a great way of predicting this through the leads that they give you. So you click perfect timing, hit that. Then guess what? All you gotta do is hit send email. Hit send email, and it should give you a notice that, okay, the message has been queued, and you should be able to view it on your statistics page in a few moments, and wait about 22-23 hours before the next mailing. So there you go. So we go up a little bit here, and then if we want to go to the statistics page, that's like a tongue twister. We can see here that we sent out the mailing. Of course, we just sent it out, so we don't have any opens or clicks or anything like that right now. But 12,400 emails went out to the leads, to the 12,400 leads that they had. So that's that. That's how you do it. Now, I did want to give you an update about this. Here's the thing about it. When I started with MyLeadGenSecret a couple months ago, there wasn't really a support group or a group of people. But as of recently, there has been a Facebook group of people that are in MyLeadGenSecret, and there are some 6- and 7-figure earners in there where they share tips and secrets on helping you to be successful with MyLeadGenSecret. So if you're thinking about joining MyLeadGenSecret, click the link below. I'll leave my affiliate link. Join it, and once you join, you will be entered or get access into a Facebook group, a MyLeadGenSecret Facebook group, where there's over almost 700 members in there, including myself. You'll see me in there too, where we help each other on using MyLeadGenSecret to grow your business. Either if you want to do MyLeadGenSecret just a program itself to earn commissions, or if you want to use it to build your own program, your own opportunity, your own affiliate program. So that's my gist. That's a quick update for you. Again, if you're still thinking about MyLeadGenSecret, I definitely still recommend this program. You may have heard some things about it. I don't know what you heard, good or bad, but I still give it a thumbs up, and a lot of other marketers and home business entrepreneurs give it a thumbs up because the income potential that you have with MyLeadGenSecret, and also the potential that you have to use it to grow your business. I mean, 12,000 people, you just watched me do it. 12,000 leads I had the opportunity to send an email into. Imagine if you had 100,000 people, how fast, how your business would grow if you were sending emails to that many people on a daily basis. I'm on track to get there right now. By the end of the year, I should be probably to about at least 50,000 leads. It's possible, guys. So that's it. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Also, again, if you haven't liked this video, like it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Love.